we got this elevator, and look, I think that's a load sensor on the cables. That's interesting. And then also, look at these strange fixtures. Nuova CRAM. That lights up red. Wacky. Oh, and it's replaced on the inside, of course, of course. I'll just take a quick ride. Damn, it doesn't even remember calls. Simple logic. No indicator either. Hello? Let's see, does it say a year, or any way I can maybe deduce the year? No. Okay. A map. Very quickly, we're gonna go check the motor. Yeah, looks like you can see it. Whoa, there it is. Nice. There's the motor. Can't run it because it won't remember calls, so we can't see it moving, sadly. But, yeah, there it is. I guess we can look at it for a minute. And you can see the controller back there. It's all new. Anyway, neat. All right, we'll go back down now. There's a map of Rome. All right, and back down now. Hello. And here we are.